previous video, I showed the location of test points on one of our older boards. 11 o'clock position in the battery area, you have the two test points. The one furthest out is the ground reference to TP1 for your 5-volt logic. On the newer board, it will actually be marked TP4 and there's only one test point. This is not a voltage adjustment. Do not touch this. This is a brownout adjustment. On the clock, we're going to connect the test points to the ground and to the 5 volts, so to TP4 and TP1. As you notice, only the 5 volt light is on. Well, this one is going on and off. That's okay. These voltages for TP2 and TP4 are software controlled, so they will come up on a random state depending on the chip. All TTL chips come up in a random state, so you can't depend on anything that's going to be consistent. This is the power supply that we're going to adjust. Here is the adjustment point. If you have an older power supply like this, I wouldn't bother. The adjustment point is located down inside of here. This is just too old. I would call and order a new power supply. If we look at the front of the clock, you'll either have a blank display or you'll have a display that's showing all 8s. The reason for that is that, again, the registers come up in a random state, and so you might have all 8s or you just might have some other odd configuration of numbers. So there we go. I'll unplug this and plug it back in. See, on this one now we have all 8s. Come over here and we're going to adjust this. You're going to go clockwise. You don't have to go very far. It's very sensitive. And we want to bring it up to 5.2. Now, when it hit 5.84, you heard it click because that's when it went past the brownout state. Brownout state's between 4.84 and 4.9. We want to bring it up slowly to 5.24. 5.23 is good. 5.24 because the power supply can either increase slightly when it warms up or when it burns in, or it can decrease slightly, but that's fine. Once you get to 5.24 and you're in a good position. Okay?